Grok AI has stopped creating free AI videos, and that is really frustrating news. But don't worry, I found the best free alternatives for you. Not just one, I got two amazing tools where you can create unlimited AI videos totally free, no credits, no payments, nothing. Just take a look at the videos I made using these tools. See the quality? Amazing, right? And trust me, you'll be able to make videos like this too, completely free. So without wasting any time, let's move to the first free tool and see how it works. So our first free tool is called Vheer AI. Just go to Google and search for Vheer AI, or simply check the link in the video description and it will take you straight to the homepage. Now, just sign up using your Google account or email and you're ready to create videos. You can either turn simple text into a video or even convert your images into videos, all without any credit limit. That's right, no credits, no payments, nothing. They clearly mention that free users can create unlimited videos. All right, let's generate our first video. Just upload the image that you want to convert into video. In the prompt box, enter the animation prompt. Make sure you stick with the default settings. If you change them, some tools might ask for credits. Once that's done, just click generate and the video creation will start. As you can see, it's clearly mentioned that this is free and unlimited, so you don't have to worry about any charges. Now, let's wait a moment and watch our video being generated. All right, viewers, here we go. Our video is ready. Just take a look at this. Honestly, compared to Grok, I think this is a really good alternative, a strong rival. The quality is slightly lower since we're using the free version, but honestly, for something completely free, this is really impressive. Of course, it's not the same as paid tools, but the fact that you can make unlimited free videos is a huge plus. I'd give this AI 8 out of 10. Why not 10? Well, the quality isn't perfect, but here's the thing. If your prompting is good, the output can improve a lot. Overall, if you just want to create free videos without limits, this tool really delivers. So I tested it out a bit more. I generated some other videos using different prompts and styles, and here are the results I got. Take a look. This will give you a better idea of what's possible with Vheer AI, completely free. All right, now let's jump into our second free AI video generator called Digen AI. And honestly, I really like this one. Why? Because here you can use all the famous models like Sora 2 VO3 and Seedance 2 for free. That's a really amazing opportunity. Getting high-quality models completely free is impressive. To get started, just Google Digen AI or check the video description for the direct link. Open it and you'll land on the homepage. Then just quickly sign up with your email or Google account and you'll see a dashboard that looks like this. Here's the good news. You get 300 free credits daily, but don't worry about running out. I'll share a method to get unlimited credit. For now, let's create a video. On the dashboard, you'll see all the famous models and some ready-to-use templates. Just click on Create and upload an image you want to convert into video. Next, go to the prompt box, describe your video idea, and select the video model you want. You'll find models like Kling, Runway ML, Sora 2, Grok, and even Seedance 2, which is currently the most powerful one. Right now, I'm using their new real motion model. Once you enter your prompt, leave the other settings default, then click Generate. Your video will start creating. Just wait a few moments, and there we go. Take a look at this amazing quality. So as you can see, the videos we created turned out pretty well. But now, let me share a little secret with you, how you can make unlimited videos completely for free. Here's the tip. Whenever you run out of credits, just sign up again using a temporary email service. Every time you use a different email, you'll get around 300 credits, which is more than enough to create new videos. And whenever those credits run out, just repeat the process. Using this method, you can create as many videos as you want without paying for any tools. I hope you found this trick helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, if you know other free AI video generators, drop them in the comments. We love exploring free AI tools. And if you need any help, just leave a comment. Until then, take care, and thanks for watching.